How to calculate molality? Well, I will teach you 4 different types of numerical problems of molality. Now what is molality? The easy definition of molality is the number of moles of solute in 1 kg of solvent is called molality. We write molality is equal to number of moles of a solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Our small m is equal to n upon kg, where small m is the molality, n is the number of moles of a solute, and kg is the mass of a solvent. For example, consider 2 kg water in this object. Now I add 8 mole sugar to it to form a sugar solution. Here, if I ask you to find the molality of this solution, can you find it? Well, it is super easy. The solvent is water and its mass is given, which is 2 kg, while the solution is sugar and its number of mole is given, which is 8 moles. According to the equation, m is equal to n upon kg. I put these values in this equation. I write m is equal to the number of moles of a solute or sugar, which is 8 moles, upon the mass of water, which is 2 kg. After calculation, I get 4 mole per kg. Hence, the molality of this solution is 4 mole per kg. Remember that this 4 mole per kg means that every 1 kg of water contains 4 mole of sugar in a solution. Let me repeat it. This 4 mole per kg means that every 1 kg of water contains 4 mole of sugar in a solution. Thus remember that molality means how many moles of a solute is present in 1 kg of a solvent. Now let me teach you one important point which you must know for the calculation of molality numerical problems. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, or it is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, or it is equal to 1 dm cube. You must remember these numbers and they will help you a lot in numerical part. Now let me teach you type 1 numerical problems. In these types of numerical problems, masses of the both solute and solvent are given. For example, consider this numerical problem. Calculate the molality of 4.5 gram of sodium chloride and 80 grams of water. Well, I write the given data. We know that the solute is sodium chloride and its given mass is 4.5 gram, while the solvent is water and its given mass is 80 gram. We already learned that we need mass of a solvent in kg, so I convert this 80 gram to kg. To do so, I divide it by 1000. After calculation, I get 0.08 kg. Now we will calculate the number of moles of a solute. Number of moles of a sodium chloride is equal to given mass upon molar mass. To calculate molar mass of sodium chloride, I write sodium plus chlorine. Molar mass of sodium is 23 gram per mole and that of chlorine is 35.5 gram per mole. After addition, I get 58.5 gram. We know that given mass of sodium chloride is 4.5 gram and its molar mass is 58.5 gram per mole. After calculation, I get 0.077 moles. Thus we have both the values, number of moles of a solute and mass of a solvent in kg to calculate molality. I write molality is equal to number of moles of a solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Or I write m is equal to the number of moles of a sodium chloride is 0.077 mole upon the mass of a solvent, which is 0.08 kg. After calculation, I get 0.96 mole per kg. Thus, the molarity of this solution is 0.96 mole per kg. Hence, noted down this numerical problem. Now we will learn type 2 numerical problems. In these types of numerical problems, mass of a solute is given, while mass of a solvent is not given. For example, consider this numerical problem. Calculate molality when 2.8 gram of ammonia is dissolved in 100 milliliter of solution. The density of a solution is 2.3 gram per milliliter. Well, I write the solute is ammonia and the solvent is unknown. The given mass of ammonia is 2.8 gram. We know that the molar mass of ammonia is 17 gram per mole. Number of moles of ammonia is equal to given mass upon molar mass. The given mass is 2.8 gram and the molar mass is 17 gram per mole. After calculation, I get 0.165 mole. Thus, we calculated the number of moles of a solute. Now, we will calculate the mass of a solution. According to the numerical problem, the given volume of a solution is 100 milliliter. The given density of a solution is 2.3 gram per mole. The mass of a solution is unknown. We know that mass is equal to density and to volume. The density of the solution is 2.3 gram per milliliter and to the volume of the solution is 100 milliliter. After calculation, I get 230 gram. Hence, the mass of the solution is 230 gram. Now we will calculate the mass of the solvent. The mass of the solvent is equal to mass of a solution minus mass of a solute. We already calculated the mass of the solution, which is 230 gram, minus the mass of a solute, which is 2.8 gram. After calculation, I get 227.2 gram. The mass of a solvent is 227.2 gram. Now we will convert it to kg. I divide it by 1000. I get 0.227 kg. Thus, the mass of a solvent is 0.227 kg. We know that molality is equal to N upon kg. I write molality is equal to the number of moles of a solute, which is 0.165 moles, upon the mass of a solvent, which is 0.227 kg. After calculation, I get 0.727 mole per kg. Thus, the molality of this solution is 0.727 mole per kg. Hence, noted down the second numerical problem. Now, we will learn type 3 numerical problems. In these types of numerical problems, no mass of a solute is given and no mass of a solvent is given. For example, consider this numerical problem. What is the molality of a solution consisting of 1.3 milliliter of carbon tetrachloride and its density is 1.59 gram per milliliter, and 65 milliliter of methylene dichloride and its density is 1.33 gram per milliliter. Well, we know that the solute is carbon tetrachloride. According to the given statement, the volume of a solute is 1.34 milliliter. The density of a solute is 1.59 gram per milliliter. What about the mass of a solute? It is unknown. We know that mass is equal to density and to volume. The density is 1.59 gram per mole and to the volume is 1.34 milliliter. I get mass of carbon tetrachloride is 2.13 gram. Now I will convert this mass into moles. I write number of moles of carbon tetrachloride is equal to given mass upon molar mass. The given mass is 2.13 gram and the molar mass of carbon tetrachloride is 154 gram per mole. After calculation, I get 0.0138 mole. Thus, there are 0.0138 mole of carbon tetrachloride is present in this solution. Secondly, we know that the solvent is methylene dichloride. The given volume of methylene dichloride is 65 ml. The given density of methylene dichloride is 1.33 gram per milliliter. The mass of methylene dichloride is unknown. We know that mass is equal to density and to volume. Our mass is equal to 1.33 into 65. After calculation, I get 86.45 gram. I need to convert the mass of methylene dichloride to kg. I divide it by 1000. After calculation, I get 0.0845 kg. Thus, we have found the number of moles and mass of the solvent. I write molality is equal to number of moles of a solute upon mass of a solvent. I write 0.0138 mole upon 0.0845 kg. After calculation, I get molality is equal to 0.163 mole per kg. Hence, the molality of this solution is 0.163 mole per kg. Finally, let me teach you type 4 numerical problems or JEE main question. Calculate the molality of 1 liter solution of 93% H2SO4 weight by volume. The density of the solution is 1.84 gram per mole. Well, I write the given volume of a solution, which is 1 liter or 1000 milliliter. The density of solution is 1.84 gram per mole. The mass of solution is unknown. We know that mass is equal to density and to volume. Our mass is equal to 1.84 and 2000. After calculation, I get mass is equal to 1840 gram. So the mass of this solution is 1840 gram. Secondly, we know that the solute is H2SO4. We will calculate the mass of the solute. In the question, we are given 93% weight by volume of H2SO4 is present in 100 ml of solution. It means that in 100 ml, there are 93 gram of H2SO4 is present. Now I say in 1 liter or 1000 milliliter, X amount of H2SO4 is present. After cross multiplication, I get X is equal to 930 gram. So the mass of a solute is 930 gram. As usual, I convert mass of a solute to number of moles. I write number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. The given mass of H2SO4 is 930 gram upon the molar mass of H2SO4, which is 98 gram per mole. After calculation, I get 9.489 mole. Thus, the number of moles of H2SO4 is 9.489 moles. Now, what about the mass of the solvent? Well, I write mass of a solvent is equal to mass of a solution minus mass of a solute. The mass of a solution is 1840 gram and that of a solute is 930 gram. I write mass of a solvent is equal to 1840 gram minus 930 gram. After calculation, I get mass of a solvent is equal to 910 gram. Now I convert mass of a solvent to kg. I divide it by 1000. I get mass of a solvent is equal to 0.91 kg. Thus, we have successfully calculated the number of moles of a solute and mass of a solvent in kg. I write molality is equal to number of moles upon mass in kg. Our molality is equal to 9.489 upon 0.91 kg. After calculation, I get molality is equal to 10.42 moles per kg. Thus, the molality of this solution is 10.42 mole per kg. Therefore, using this method, we can easily calculate the molality of any solution.